Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to download series on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now search for the series that you are looking for. From the search results, find the series you want to download. Then, tap on the series title to open its details page. Here, you will see the download option. It's usually represented by a downward arrow icon. Simply tap on the download button and download the episode of the series. You can scroll down and download the other episodes of the series too. And that's it. This is how you can download series on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.